Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps. Click on Default Apps and select one of those sections that you wish to manage, like in my case, Browser app. Last but not least, click on your downloaded one that you wish to apply. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!